Hey, what up, decisive marketers? I'm back with yet another project management tool, and I did a video previously on a very simple one, right? And that is great for if you just want a simple project management tool to get you going without any confusing features out there. So this video, however, is more about a powerful project management tool, and it is just so accessible, right? It is also simple to use, but as in it's not. I wouldn't say that it is simple, but it's accessible, right? So if you need anything, it's just easily accessed, and it's just really powerful. At the same time, with all that features to help you manage your business, your projects, and this tool is called Taskade. But before I dive into Taskade, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more digital marketing and e-commerce content. So here we are, right? Let's get going. So here we are. This is Taskade. They do have a light mode and dark mode right here. Okay. So I guess the first step is maybe to maybe set up your settings right here. They've got some integrations for calendars right here. Okay. So in Taskade, so this is where all your recent activities are, some of your upcoming calendar events, any start tasks that you have to be doing, and these are all your tasks in here, and any projects that are being shared with you will be in here. So all your tasks are in here, and your calendar, your start. Okay, that's where it is. So we're going to dive into the workspace right now. Okay, so you can create a project right here. Just click on new project, and you have a bunch of templates right here. So where Taskade is really powerful is that it's not just like um a simple Kanban board or a list board, but they give you this powerful checklist right here. You have a journal, you have a a more like personal task Kanban style board right here. You have teamwork list, so this is a list view, right? And then a project board, so this is your standard Kanban board. This is your roadmap kind of features. Okay, roadmap, um, you know, stuff like that. Prioritization board, they call it. Your strategy checklist. Okay, so this is just very beautiful. Can you see this? Like, this checklist is just amazing. And then you have mind map. Okay, very beautiful looking mind map right here. They've got development tree. Okay, let me just zoom out a little bit. Okay, so you got your development tree, right? Okay, so this is very, very interesting. And then you've got organization charts. Just look at how beautiful this is, right? I mean, anything that you have in your mind that you need to map out, Taskade seems to be able to do the job, right? So they've got even more templates right here that you can just use it, right? That it's more than just a project management tool, but it's like a personal to-do list, right, as well. They've got grocery shopping list template, so you can just use this for anything. It's just crazy powerful, right? The only thing that I would say that is probably missing, but that's for most project management tool out there, is that they don't really have a like um a flow chart or a funnel mapping tool. That's all, right? And then you'll be able to create a powerful a business with it, right? They've got something for gaming as well, like game design, you know Pokemon. Can you see that? It's they even have Pokemon. So I think one thing that Taskade seems to be really doing well in terms of marketing wise is that they are going after the average user. We are not talking about like business owners using this, but for an average user to get on Taskade as well, because Task it's like a note-taking app as well that you can share with others, right? And because when you create something like this checklist, right? Pokemon Shield, Sword and Shield post game checklist, right? So this is like to, you know, maximize, hit 100% completion for your game itself. I think that is what this checklist does. You can, you and they will grow fast because this checklist is going to be shared around, right, with the Pokemon community, and people start using want to make use of the this checklist. They got to sign up with Taskade, and that's how they get a lot of users in. Taskade is just really powerful, I would say. They just spend a lot of time marketing massively, right? It's not just like business that I can see that what they're doing right here, right? Music marketing toolbox. They spend a lot of time creating all these templates that work for every person out there, right? Hospital organization chart, right? So many things in here that you can use, like engineering. It's just really powerful, I would say. They just have that marketing prowess to reach out to everyone. It's more than just uh marketing. I mean, like a tool, right? More than just a project management tool right here. And so this is a standard checklist you know template right here. So you've got so you can easily change them around. They just make it simple. It's just list view, board view, and then checklist and mind map and organization chart, right? It's just some I am really excited about this, and they have a chat right here, right? You can mention people, you can insert emojis, right? And it's a little bit kind of like Notion, right? Where it's um the style of it a little bit, but yet at the same time it's more of a organization tool as well, right? And then you can just easily click on start call, and you can have a video call with someone right here, right? And it seems to be using Jitsi for this, right? You see how simple it is right here. Let me just turn on the camera. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure what happens when I use this Jitsi, right? And then it gives me, you know, like Mandarin, because my desktop is using English, right? So anyway, I got to, yep. So let me just change that way to. Okay, so screen sharing and stuff. Basically, this is Jitsi, right? It's very simple video calling tool here. And then the cool thing is let me just jump back in here to they've got your iOS app. They've got a Chrome extension, which I have it right here. Okay, so I've got to probably go to. Okay. Okay, so let's say I were to go to Facebook or any other websites. Let me just, where is my Taskade, right? So let me just bring it up again. I think it is, okay, so Taskade. So let me just bring this up. So what happens is, once I have Taskade, okay, I can easily just add to task right here, right? And then this will be a task, and I can select the workspace that I want, and the project, and it's done right here. Okay, so that's what it is. So this is Taskade. They've got, what is this? Android app, Windows, and Mac, and this is all the download pages. Right, so these are all so it works on Linux as well, Firefox, Edge as well, right? So a lot of options right here. Let's see what else there is to explore. So we can look at all the projects as a whole as well, like as a task, as a timeline view, and we can create more templates right here as well and see what projects are completed. Okay, so pretty much let's jump in to look at some individual tasks maybe and see what we get. Okay, let's try adding something in here. Okay, so it doesn't it works just like a board like this, right? Like a task board, I think. So it doesn't work like a right. Okay, so how it works, it seems like it's a little bit different. You can assign people to the project, okay, but the individual tasks right here, you got to tag them. So that's kind of how it works, right? You assign, okay, so you can assign them, right, based on the task itself, right? So it seems like that's how it works. You can upload file. You can even put a timer right here. You can embed a bunch of stuff here. You can embed YouTube, Loom videos, Vimeo videos, Wistia videos, Figma or Jam, InVision, SoundCloud, Typeform, Whimsical, right? All that, powerful tools that you need to be integrated with Taskade, it seems to be all in here. The only thing that I feel that I mean, they got emoji support in the board itself, whenever you add anything in here, um you can easily color them. Just really powerful tool. You can add notifications, right? You can set up your notifications in here. The only thing that I feel is missing from Taskade is lack of integrations right now. That means they don't have. It doesn't seem like they have. They only have calendar integrations. They don't have like Zapier, Pabbly Connect integrations, so that you can automatically add certain tasks in, or update certain tasks in here. All right. Otherwise, I think that it seems to be awesome, and the search works for all the projects, comments, and workspaces as well, right? I think that if you are looking for a powerful tool, like it's more than just a project management, but it's also like a management to-do list, like all in one, where you can easily share that out as well, like for personal or for business use. Taskade seems to work for everything, and that's all I have to say, right? I am truly impressed by this tool. They have spent a lot of effort on it. I could feel it. That's how it is. Alright, so that's all I have to share about Taskade. If you enjoy this video, do give me a thumbs up. Right, let me know what you think about Taskade in the comments below. And lastly, if you know anyone who could benefit from a personal checklist, uh, note taking, project management, or task management kind of tool, be sure to share this video with them. And I'll see you in my next video.